How much?
4,000 rupees for the wife and 3,000 each for the two daughters. Totally 10,000 rupees.
The respondent is not my wife, my lord, because the respondent already marriage was existence. The husband was alive, my lord. She was
So, though notice is served on you, but because as per the judgment of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, in criminal proceedings there cannot be any notice through post.
Yes, Your
That's why you didn't appear.
Yes, Your Honor, I have not taken. Honorable court was passed an interim order against me because the respondent is not my wife, my lord, because I have sufficient
Who is he?
She is not my wife, Your Honor. That was created.
Photo is a mocked photo.
Yes, Your Honor, definitely, my lord. This photo also I am not the. I am. This photo also is created, my lord, because my learned
At
friend.
least that person is your client.
My person. I am the person.
It is a morphed photo.
Yeah, definitely, my lord.
Birth certificate is also wrong.
Yes, Your Honor.
Everything is wrong.
Everything is created.
All Aadhaar cards and everything, what they show is not correct according to. It is also morphed.
Yes, Your Honor. Not
I'm
aware.
telling you with all these documents, your client is going to be face all the difficulties. Please ascertain and think twice and answer to the court.
Definitely.
Petitioner in the first matter, my lord, two petitions. My lord, the maintenance was awarded in favor of the wife and two daughters. Lord.
How much?
4,000 rupees for the wife and 3,000 each for the two daughters. Totally 10,000 rupees. My lord, my grievance in my petition is that just in the before the operative portion in the previous paragraph, the court has said that I am entitled to 6,000 rupees and 4,000 for the two children, for 14,000 rupees. By mistake in the operative portion, that has been left out.
Only to that limited extent.
That is my grievance, and from the date of application, it should have been given. That is not given.
2 grounds.
2 grounds.
What about you?
In my respectful submission in respect of 22 clause point 1, my lord, the Honorable Family Court was placed on ex parte. The ex parte judgment was passed on against me. That too I have challenged before this Honorable Court for
Why you have not appeared before the court?
because the court summons was not served me and personally, my lord. Any officer
Court summons were not served.
or through, yes, Your Honor.
So how did you show that?
So
If
because
his appeal. Yours is second one or first one?
second one,
Give the second one.
because the respondent is not my wife, my lord, because the respondent already marriage was existence. The husband was alive, my lord. She was suppressing the material facts before the family court, my lord. That too, the two children are not my.
You please tell the court. Now, where is that ex parte? How
My
do you-
lord, page number 36, my lord.
have you filed the docket proceedings of the trial court?
No, my lord. Then when I came to this proceedings, my lord, the execution petition was filed by the respondent against
So
me.
how to believe you that there is no notice to you?
Please, Your Honor. My lord, in
Is something?
page number 36, my lord. Page number 36. The
Yes.
respondent called out absent as per the track consignment report of the postal authority, item delivery consignment confirmed on 25/6/2022. Hence, service of notice to the respondent through RPD held sufficient.
You don't reside in that address?
I am not residing in the. I am residing in the same address, my lord.
So when the postal track shows that it is served, why do you say it is not served?
My lord, in the Honorable Andhra Pradesh High Court, Your Honor, in judgment, reported judgment, my lord, wherein said the courts in the criminal proceedings shall not issue the RPAD in section 62 of the.
That we will go later. That we will go later.
Please,
First of all, why? Because such a procedure is there, you have not appeared.
please, Your Honor.
That we shouldn't
Yes, Your
be
Honor.
sent.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, though notice is served on you, but because as per the judgment of the Andhra Pradesh High Court, in criminal proceedings, there cannot be any notice through post.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's why you didn't appear.
Yes, Your Honor. I have not taken.
You are aware.
No, I don't have any aware to serve this notice or.
What has
RPAD.
happened to that? Why, when that is served at your place?
But which was not marked before the family court in consignment report, Your Honor. Which was not placed.
We will call for the report. Then we'll hear and
Already in
we will-
the last occasion, this honorable.
Where is look at the lower court record? Where is the lower court record? We'll impose exemplary costs on your client.
Already the honorable court was passed an interim order against me because The respondent is not my wife, my lord, because I have sufficient documents in my
It's not
possession.
about that. You're saying that you're telling something that you're trying to take advantage of some things.
No, my lord, I'm
Ah,
not taking.
So no, this is a postal
Yes,
consignment.
yes, Your Honor.
Hmm. Who is he?
She's not my wife, Your Honor. That was created.
Photo is a morphed photo.
Yes, Your Honor, definitely, my lord. Because her parents has filed on one case injunction suit in before the Shidalghata court, Your Honor. They say
What is this photo?
this photo also I am not the this photo also is created, my lord. Because my learned
At
friend
least
also,
that person is your client.
my person, I am the person.
It is a morphed photo.
Yeah,
according to
definitely,
you.
my lord.
What is the name of your client?
Rajesh, my lord. Rajesh K.
Even this birth certificate is also wrong.
Yes, Your Honor.
Everything is wrong.
Everything is created, my lord.
And your client do not know this
No,
name.
no, our client is not.
What is the name of your wife? You are not married.
I am not married, my lord.
What do you do?
I'm an agriculturist.
What did you say about the postal consignment
Postal
in your
consignment
affidavit before this court? What did you say?
in page number 47, affidavit, I am saying that affidavit, my lord. When these respondents served the court summons that amounts to execute the award passed by third additional court Bangalore, and then only I came to know that that after verification of and I learnt about that criminal miscellaneous proceedings after filing of the above petition on 5/7 so and so before placed ex parte me on the basis of postal.
Where is your, please, as per your cause title, what is your address?
Right, my address I have mentioned in the as per the complaint filed by the respondent. I have mentioned this address in the proceedings.
So all Aadhaar cards and everything, what they show is not correct according to, is this also morphed?
Yes, no, this is one is correct, my lord.
Aadhaar card
Address is correct. Aadhaar card is not marking. My
is correct.
is my Aadhaar card is correct, my lord. But
Their Aadhaar card is again,
again, all documents has been created, my lord. Because her husband is alive. My client has went to the in Shidalghata, is still in alive, man. She
Still
was
is?
not still alive, my lord. She was not getting any divorce from previous.
we are not about whether she has a first wife or you have a second wife. That's not the question.
Please, my lord.
Question is, according to you, according to her, she has 2 children. She says she is a wife.
Voice.
According to you, whether you know her, you do not know her.
I am not
I'm
aware.
telling you with all these documents, your client is going to be face all the difficulties. Please ascertain and think twice and answer to the court.
Definitely, he was unaware. He was these all whatever documents submitted before the trial.
Not
court
of
by the-
whatever documents. No, there are Aadhaar cards of all the client, their client and your client.
My client-
Aadhaar cards are there.
My-
When the address is one and the same, how can you say that you don't even know them?
my lord, is only Srinath.
Maybe you're trying to take advantage that you're not married and she is residing with you because she has already a first marriage. Now, for the purpose of not to pay the maintenance,
Well,
this is what you're coming before the court.
No, because I have sufficient documents because she was having with marriage with Mr. one Bavaya.
What is your address? Please tell the court.
In my address, my lord, residing at Nambihalli village, Nambihalli post, Srinivaspura Taluk, Kolar district.
Where is your, show your Aadhaar card? Your client's Aadhaar card? Give his petition. Next one, second one, 298. Please come to the petition filed before the court. The husband has questioned the order passed by the trial court stating that no notice is served on him and it's not a final order. No notice is served on him and he do not know the respondent who claims to be his wife, nor the children or his children. He has no acquaintance with them. And according to him, the photographs that are filed before the court are the morphed photographs. She has she is having her husband is alive and there is a subsisting marriage. So a question of he marrying her would not arise. And before the court, the Aadhaar cards of all the parties and also the alleged husband of the is also filed. He should file an affidavit before the husband shall file an affidavit before the court, stating that, as stated before the court, that he has no acquaintance with the wife, with the lady who filed the criminal miscellaneous and also the children. And he has not as per the court order, through RPAD, no notice is served at the address in which he is residing. Basing on that, further orders would be passed. And if any of the statements that are made before the court appears to be incorrect, perjury proceedings will be initiated against the petitioner. This is an RPFC 298 of 2023.